Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on Xiaomi Pad 6 into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your search engine. And now you have to click here, go to settings, and now click on search engine, and now in recently visited you should have yep.com option, and then you can click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.